Given that 2 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2, find the value of x and y. Take down solution. We have 2 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power y is equal to 4, and we have x minus y is equal to 2. We are to find the value of x and y. First thing for us to answer this question, we are going to start by making either x or y the subject of formula in the second equation. Let's make x the subject of formula. Then this will give us x to be equal to 2. When negative y crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 2 plus y. In the first equation, this equation, let's just call this one equation 1. We are going to replace x with 2 plus y. And this will give us 2 raised to the power 2 plus y minus 2 raised to the power y is equal to 4. This is simply the same as 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power y. Remember, from the laws of indices, e raised to the power m times e raised to the power n is simply equal to e raised to the power m plus n. Moving backward, it gives us what we have here, minus 2 raised to the power y is equal to 4. At the left hand side, 2 raised to the power y is common. We are going to factor out 2 raised to the power y times 2 raised to the power 2 minus, here we are left with 1. 2 raised to the power y times negative 1 gives us negative 2 raised to the power y. We close the bracket, is equal to 4. This will simply give us 2 raised to the power y times 2 raised to the power 2, that is 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 gives us 3. We will be left with 2 raised to the power y times 3 is equal to 4. 2 raised to the power y times 3 is equal to 4. Next step, we are going to divide both sides by the constant 3. This will give us 2 raised to the power y times 3 divided by 3 is equal to 4 divided by 3. At the left hand side, 3 will strike off 3. Then we'll be left with 2 raised to the power y is equal to 4 on 3. Next step, we are going to take ln at the left hand side and ln at the right hand side. Or you can still decide to take a log to the base 10. It depends on you. Then the ln of 2 raised to the power y is equal to the ln of 4 over 3. Applying the law of power at the left hand side, then y ln 2 will simply be equal to, remember, the ln of a over b is the same as the ln of a minus the ln of b. We are going to make use of this at the right hand side. This will give us the ln of 4 minus the ln of 3. Then dividing both sides by ln 2, which is a constant, this will give us y ln 2 divided by ln 2 is equal to ln 4 minus ln 3 divided by ln 2. At the left hand side, ln 2 will strike off ln 2. Then we'll be left with y to be equal to ln 4 minus ln 3 over ln 2. Remember, if you have a minus b over c, it is simply the same as a over c minus b over c. This will give us ln 4 on ln 2 minus ln 3 on ln 2. Then our y will simply be equal to, remember 4 can be written in index form with 2 at the base, and this will simply give us the ln of 2 raised to the power 2 all over the ln of 2 minus the ln of 3 over the ln of 2. Applying the law of power at the numerator, this will give us 2 ln 2, and this will equal to 2 ln 2 divided by ln 2 minus ln 3 divided by ln 2. Ln 2 will strike off ln 2, we will be left with 2 minus ln 3 over ln 2. This will give us y to be equal to 2 minus ln 3 over ln 2. This is the value of y. Knowing the value of y, it is very easy for us to find x. We are going to put y equal to 2 minus ln 3 on ln 2 into x equal to, remember we made x the subject of formula and it gave us x equal to 2 plus y. We are going to put it here. That is, x will simply be equal to, we are going to replace y with this value. It gives us 2 plus 2 minus ln 3 over ln 2. And this will simply be equal to 2 plus 2 gives us 4 minus ln 3 on ln 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus ln 3 on ln 2, and y is equal to 2 minus ln 3 on ln 2. We can verify to see if these values of x and y they are correct. Let's take down the verification. We are going to make use of the second equation to see if we take x minus y, we are going to obtain 2. X minus y is simply equal to, the value of x is 4 minus ln 3 on ln 2 minus the value of y, which is 2 minus ln 3 on ln 2. It is in bracket because we have to multiply all this by negative 1. This will simply be equal to 4 minus ln 3 over ln 2. Negative 1 times 2 gives negative 2. Negative 1 times negative ln 3 on ln 2, it gives us plus ln 3 over ln 2. This will simply be equal to 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Negative ln 3 on ln 2 plus ln 3 on ln 2 gives 0. This and this will cancel off. And it gives us what we have at the right hand side of the equation, which is 2. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please to like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.